Science genius, adept at deciphering hidden codes. And meet the Cresleys, Nelson, Ellen and Daniel, and Sue, Mabel's research subjects. Sue works in an office. Nelson works at home. One day Nelson noticed Mabel's behaviour changing just before Sue was to come home from work.
I noticed that Mabel was sort of on stakeout with Sue, and she would be at the door, clearly looking, clearly waiting, and this is before Sue would be anywhere on my radar.
Mabel's not alone. Dogs repeatedly seem to know in advance when their owners will return home. But can science reveal what really triggers canine clairvoyance? To find out, we conduct an experiment. First, we rig up cameras to capture Mabel's movements. We do the same for Sue. At 5:12 p.m, Sue shuts down the computer, exits the office. Mabel lies on the couch. Mabel is still on the couch. At 5 minutes past 6, Sue's bus nears the stop. Suddenly, Mabel perks up, jumps off the couch, and takes up a position by the door.